Dude, I cannot believe we just got up this morning, but I cannot believe driving. Sarah's driving this today. Oh, good news is we're going to the airport tomorrow. We're going to Brinsville, right?
No, we're going to the Minneapolis.
Oh, that is kind of like Super Target, so it's good.
It's the same place. Oh, yeah, no, we're going to this circuit.
Oh.
Yeah, we're going to the airport. We're going to bring Grandma Beth and stuff.
Well, that's the same.
Yep, we're going to go to that airport. We're going to go to Target over 77.
Okay.
We're not driving all the way up Brinsville.
Yeah, because they don't have Super Target anymore. The name's Target now.
There's Super Target over here.
Yes, but the other Targets now.
No. We're going to go to Super Target.
Yeah, can I take a look, Toys?
I already said yes, but just not for very long. So I don't feel bad. I want to get back home.
Okay, I can take a picture and you guys can think about it. Or, guys, I have a plan for the contest. Vote which one I can do. Here's the deal. I'm going to show you these toys, but then you have to vote which one will be. Vote comments below and give me back tonight, and then tonight. And then after this, guys, let me know, because I want to see my mom can give me a toy, because maybe somehow, but he's going to try thinking about it. So, guys, if you like Sarah Jensen,
Hi.
post a comments below. If you like it or not. And if you like the new character name, Chef Rabbit, post a comments below. So, John, how long? It's not yet. We're not ready yet. Really? Post some comments and you decide to cut? Okay, okay. Maybe we can get dinner somehow, Mom.
Yeah, we'll have to grab something.
Oh, I know, just say pick me. What? Why is it, Chef Rabbit? How about Target food?
We're not having dinner.
Subway? Talk about. Oh no. Guess I'll just wait. Yeah. Wait, is that the airport we're going? Yeah. Well, I want to feel. Ooh, I want to try a new one, the old times, like Kermit did. Woo! I can fly. I'm won't. I'm no. I'm just gonna look. I can believe I can fly. Woo! Whoa, yeah, I can fly. Woo! Woo! I can fly. Yay, I can like a Superman! Woo! If you like the name called Super Rabbit from Looney Tunes, post a comment. Alright, that's it, I'm done. You're done? Yeah, I just want to fly. Want to do that again one last time? Yeah! Woo! I can fly! Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, look. Hello, ladies. Whoa, okay. Whoa. Chef Rabbit? I'm okay. You okay, Chef Rabbit? Yeah, I'm okay. I can't help but I can